Hi, this is Exploring the Weather, Stu.
Amen.
And I'm Stu, and today we've literally been tracing through brambles and everything just to get to this location. But Emma will tell you exactly what we're doing.
Right, well, I'll try to. We are at a very well-known training school for the military in East Anglia somewhere.
We're not. It's obvious where it is, but we're not going to tell you now.
We don't do that.
Nope.
And we found some of the old air raid shelters. I guess that the students and pupils would have used.
And we want to give a thanks to Alfie. If you're watching, Alfie, he helped us out.
In the van exploring, we'll pop a little link for him. He was the one that gave us this location. Your directions were amazing, but we just didn't read them properly.
Yeah, yeah.
Big thumbs up to you,
Cheers, Alfie. So yeah, we're going to get on with the explore. So we'll see you in a minute.
Let's get down this hole.
Let's go. Right, Emma's
Caught in a bramble.
Caught in a bramble. She's going to get herself ready to go. I'm going to go after. We've already checked it out. So people that think that I'm a bottle job, that people have been saying, no, it's already been checked out. That's why I'm sending Emma down first.
I was going to go first.
Exactly.
Right, so basically I've got to climb down a door frame to get into this.
Yeah.
There's no ladder anymore.
Okay,
So I think I might check my bag.
yeah, if you give us your bag,
Right.
Emma's going to go
I'm a
down.
bit nervous.
She's all right.
I know.
She's all been checked out before we even start, so.
It's just wet and slippery.
Yep.
I don't want my phone to fall out of my pocket.
No, of course not. Alright, so Emma's going down now. I'll pass her our bag.
We didn't check it for dead bodies.
No, we didn't check it for dead bodies. But this is a place that is really heavily secured, so as well. Right, okay, my turn. Right, okay, I'm going down. I tell you what, no, you can take my bag. Right, see you in a second.
Right, here he comes. There's this better side, look, as you can see. I think we could do with a light on, we'll have to pop that on in a minute.
Right, this is the air raid shelter, isn't it?
Yep.
Right, okay.
Right.
Right, let's have a look, shall we?
Let's get this light on.
Yep. Is it bad light?
It's not great.
Yeah, it's really bad light. Mind you, it's seen right at the back there, but I'm going to put the light on anyway. There we go. Right. Oh, they're pretty clean.
Wow, this is quite well preserved.
It is really well preserved, actually.
So
these are World War II air raid shelters. I mean, it's still got the electric boxes in them. This is pretty amazing, actually.
isn't it?
I'm just coming through.
Smells a bit like food down there.
Does it?
Look at all this wood. This would have been the original beds.
Yeah, it would have been.
Or something like that.
This is all.
Wow, this is impressive.
It is very impressive.
Yeah, it was made that. There's another door there or something.
Yeah.
That's obviously what we've just come down. Another one of the doors.
Okay, can I borrow the torch? It's gonna go through. It looks like it. Old fuse boxes. Goes out to another tunnel. Look at that.
This is probably the best air raid shelter we've ever done.
Wow.
Oh, is it extensive, is it?
It's really big.
This is a lot bigger than I thought it was going to be. Was that an old entrance?
Yeah.
That looks like that would have probably been a proper entrance, because I imagine what we've just come down.
Wow. Look at that, what that is. Oh my God, there is loads of them.
Let's just not look at it.
It's right, look at these. Alright, we're going to start walking down here. We have to be very careful because some of this, look at this, it's all bellowing in.
Still be, isn't it?
Yeah. I've got itchy fever.
It's actually quite warm and dry down here.
Yeah, it is very.
It's quite cosy, actually.
Yeah, I know.
Yes. I don't think I'd like to have been down here on an air raid. Original light in a bit. Oh, there's so much cool stuff down here. What do we do first?
I don't know, but we're just having a look round.
What's this? That's an old toilet or something, isn't it? I don't know. What is that?
Yeah, it does look like it.
I shouldn't have left your your bag down there, really, should I?
My bag?
Yeah, I didn't think it was this big, so I left your bag down there. I'm going to get it.
Yeah, I think we'll all go back and get that. Right, okay. Emma's just pointed out this one here.
Switch off.
Switch off.
That's it.
But this is like a metal frame that goes around here.
I think that's my foot. It says on up there.
Yeah. Right. Plenty of Irish takes down
I'm
here.
assuming that's a toilet, aren't we?
Of some sort. A lot of duck boards. Look at the duck boards. Oh, that's floor. Whoa.
Oh, look, that bed. This is really big, isn't it? There's no way in. That would have covered the brambles. That's why we couldn't get up there.
That's what we couldn't get up
We
to.
didn't
That
even
one.
see it, did we?
Alright. You're going to come along here.
Can't see beyond you. We need a torch, really.
Jesus, there's beds and everything down here.
Oh, look. That is impressive.
Jesus, these have been here for fucking years.
See where it was.
Another entrance way.
Oh, it's been bricked off.
Right, go a bit further. Sorry.
So I'm blind, like.
Yeah, I know. Sorry people, but we are literally.
We didn't come as well equipped as we should have done.
No, because we didn't expect this.
I thought we were just going to look at a little straight shelter.
No.
Maybe a little toilet in there.
These are a serious tunnel situation.
Yeah.
Right, okay, listen, hold that. Right, okay,
That's
that's a lot better. We've got
got
some decent light. We've got a big torch, big bastard torch. Nope. We're just working our way through. Got original shelving there, look. Are you sure?
I can take some pictures now, but not like that. That is cool.
Original shelving.
So I'm probably excited.
Yeah. Right, we're just going to be walking. These are floor. These are like duck boards to stop water. No. Got another entrance way there. Got another switch off. Looks like there's another entrance. Look, that leads to the outside. You see that out there? Can hear the road.
Close to the north side.
Yeah. This is pretty impressive. Looks like an old barrel as well. These are old toilets, I reckon. This is pretty amazing. Hang on, what does that say? Switchboard way, dead end. Someone's been marking these out.
Oh, this is that's another emergency exit.
Yeah, but look, people have been marking dead end. Right, this is another entrance just there. Okay. There's another entrance, just emergency exit. Looks like people have been getting in this way. You can see it there.
I wonder where we are.
I don't know.
Because we've got a bit disorientated, don't we?
Yeah, a little bit. Right, if we want to come this way. I don't know what you're thinking, guys, but this is absolutely amazing. Oh, shit.
Oh, we can't monetize this one.
Don't want to. Another emergency exit. Oh, right, okay. Interesting. This looks like it's getting a little bit damper over this side. Got another switch off up there. Ah, okay, this is the end of the tunnel. Another tunnel that's been bricked up. Looks like original barrels and absolutely everything in here.
This is incredible.
It's amazing, isn't it?
Wow. I mean, thanks, Alfie. We had no idea this place
Yeah.
was so amazing, even though we probably watched the video.
Yeah.
Wow.
Okay, so all these bars, look at these bars hanging off there with hooks.
Just think they're for beds.
Probably.
They are, aren't they? They're
Yeah.
bunk beds.
Yeah, not bed bugs, love. Not bed bugs, love. Right, okay, so we know where we are. Alright, obviously this isn't going to be a long video. Reason being is obviously because it's only a tunnel. But what a tunnel. But what a tunnel. Absolutely amazing, I think. People have been giving us arrows. You can see that people have been down here and they're helping you on the way out. So whoever has been down here, well done, Urban Explorers. Well done. They've been helping. They're putting arrows so you shows your way out.
Yeah, it's only chalk.
It's only chalk, it's not spray paint. But these does look like bunk bed hangers, you know. Okay. I don't want to be down here any longer than I have to be, Emma.
Yeah, well, I didn't manage to get this thing away, so
Okay. I don't think that's an original cone. Could be, but I doubt it.
it's not mine.
It's not mine. But you've got the rough idea how these places were designed, people, I tell you. So much is
I
getting
don't know
on pictures.
how many pupils would have been at the school, but you can just imagine them all
Yeah,
cramming down here, can't you?
absolutely. Right, okie dokie, we're coming round another side now. This bit we haven't done, have we, Emma?
No, we've sort of come back on that side
Yeah,
and then taken another tunnel.
another tunnel, so we're gonna have a look at this tunnel. It looks like it, another emergency exit there.
Watch your step.
Oh, look at this. Got an old, is that an old door?
Yeah, it looks like it.
Old doorways that someone's a West Ham supporter. Looks like someone's tried to have a fire in
Yeah,
here.
a little one.
Oh, look at this lot. These are old tool chests.
Something in
Or
it.
food chest, I don't know.
I don't actually know.
No, right,
It's insulated or something, or asbestos. I've got asbestos actually in there.
probably.
Looks like a water tank.
Yeah, an old water tank. Pretty cool, look at the shelf.
It's got red paint on it.
Yeah, it's pretty amazing, isn't it?
Yeah, all the old buckets are all flat because they're rusted.
Yeah. More beds. Hangers.
They could have got a good couple of hundred people down here.
Of course they could have done.
Anyway,
Yeah.
like,
I hope you're enjoying this video because this is actually wearing me out a little bit.
I've got a good feeling down here, have you?
No, I haven't, no.
It smells like coffee.
Smells to me a little bit like cannabis.
Yeah. There's nobody down there. I went further than that. I've seen them.
Okay. Okay. So there's more. Another emergency exit up there. More toilets. I'm just keep on whacking my head. I'm getting the ump. Oh, here we go. Okay. It's all caved in down. It's like it's been infilled. Jesus.
Stop before I got to this bit.
Oh, look over there. Look, the metal, like the metal buckets, original.
What one that hasn't rusted?
Yeah.
No, it's a
Look at that.
That would have probably been one of the main entrances in then, yeah?
Yep. Okay.
I'd love to know whereabouts we are. Look at this. Look, this rubble's got tiles
on it. Must have from another building that was up.
We've seen quite a lot of parts of rubble around here, haven't we?
Yeah.
Some of it's been demolished.
Yeah.
Right, I think
that's about it.
we've come to the end of the line. If you say there's nothing on the ground.
No, there isn't. Right. Right. Oh. Okay, Emma's getting some pictures. I'm starting to feel a little bit better now. There's a bit of cool air coming on down here.
Yeah, that's what it was.
It might have been, but we're doing all right. We're doing all right. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn you over to a little bit of music now while we walk down these corridors. So here we go. can see we're now
Come back up.
We're up. I've had a bit of a panic attack actually down there because I started seeing dangers and stuff. We finished it, but I started seeing that some of the ceilings are collapsing in.
It's starting to
metal struts are
decay,
yeah, it's decaying quite bad underneath
it's a
there.
shame because that was hell of a
amazing.
lot more than we ever imagined it was.
It was amazing. It
we
really
thought
was.
we were coming to a fairly small one, and this wasn't it.
This is the biggest tunnel we've done since Haysborough.
This is bigger than Haysborough.
That's what I'm saying. Since
Yeah,
Haysborough, it's the biggest one we've done.
But again, thanks Alfie.
Yeah.
In the van exploring.
That's it. Yeah.
For showing us this.
But maybe exploring with Dale and Karina can come and see this. Just let you know, mate. There's going to be a lot of brambles round here. Yes, there is. A lot of brambles.
There's a lot of spiders down there.
Yeah, there's a lot of spiders. But anyway, this is another good explorer. I think this is another well worth
it today.
Well worth the cuts and bruises. I think coming to get in here.
Yeah, but we're all done now. We've all sealed it back up, as you can see.
Yeah, we sealed it all back up.
No trace.
That's it. So, as from exploring with Emma Stu, we'll see you on the next one.
Thanks for watching.
Bye.
Bye.
Some legends are told, some turn to dust or to gold, but you will remember me for centuries, and just one mistake is all it will take to go down in history. Remember me for centuries, hey, yeah, hey, hey, yeah. Mama found my teenage dreams. No, it's nothing wrong with me. The kids are all wrong, the stories are off. Heaven metal broke my heart. Come on and let me in. The bruises on your thighs like my fingertips. This is supposed to match the darkness that you felt. I never meant for you to fix yourself. Some legends are told, some turn to dust or to gold, but you will remember me for centuries, and just one mistake is all it will take. We go down in history. Remember me for centuries, hey, yeah, hey, hey, yeah. And I can't stop till the whole world knows my name, 'cause I was only born inside my dreams. Until you die for me, as long as there's a light, my shadow's over you, 'cause I am the opposite of amnesia. You're a cherry blossom, you're about to bloom. You look so pretty, but you're gone so soon. Some legends are told, some turn to dust or to gold, but you will remember me for centuries, and just one mistake is all it will take. We go down in history. Remember me for centuries, hey, yeah, hey, hey, yeah. We've been here forever, and here's the frozen proof. I could scream forever. We are the poisoned youth. Some legends are told, some turn to dust or to gold, but you will remember me for centuries, and just one mistake is all it will take. We go down in history. Remember me for centuries.